Em xin đọc bài tập bài Christmas time. It's Christmas. Dad give Tim a toy. The toy is in the box. Tim takes off the lid. He sees a toy. It's a car. The car is red. The car makes noises. The car moves fast. Tim likes the gift. He hugs Dad. Dad smiles. Tiếp theo đó là bài Snack Time. Son. Dad. Yes, Mikey. Can I have a really good snack? I don't know. I think it's what time is it? I think it's going on dinner. It's 3:30. 3:30? Where's better wise? Why, Dad? Well, what kind of snacks do you want? Candy. No, candy is sour. Oh, how about some broccoli? No. Carrots? No. No. Well, what else? What else can you suggest? Candy. Candy? No, I don't think. I think you're better wise. A sandwich? A spinach sandwich? Spinach sandwich? Spinach sandwich? When did you talk like in spinach? Today? Well, what about a small sandwich? Okay. 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 I'll whip it church in a minute. Lie with your toy while you're waiting for it. Em xin hết.